Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Karina, also known as OhMGlashes, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I have another Temu haul. I know, again, some of you have actually been asking me and messaging me on Instagram asking me when I'm going to film another one. So this is the one that I have right now, but of course, I'm planning to film more. As long as you guys keep watching these, I'm going to keep bringing them. This haul is a little bit more fashion related. I have some shoes, and you guys, when I show you these prices and the products, you're going to be absolutely shook. Also, I have worn some of these pieces already, and I love them, and I will show you and try on everything. So with that said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. It also supports me and my community, my familia. It shows YouTube that, hey, we want to see more of her content. And then, of course, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It also just helps to push out my content out there because YouTube likes to shadow ban us small creators. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's Temu haul. Anyways, first things first is this gorgeous, I think it's called like a boyfriend jacket or an oversized jacket. I got it in a size small because they did say that it was oversized. I didn't want it to be too big because I am very petite. I'm only 5 feet and I'm very small frame. So I didn't want anything that was going to be super, super big. Look at how gorgeous this is. This actually goes with my outfit. I might actually wear this today. I was planning on wearing another sweater. I was going to wear this sweater, but I think I'm just going to wear this one. This one goes really, really well with my outfit. Like I said, I've already worn it. As you can tell, it has a little spot of Chile right there. I have already worn this once or twice, actually maybe a few times, and I have already washed it and it didn't shrink, nothing unraveled, the buttons didn't come loose, nothing. So the quality, again, super, super bomb, and it's not too long, it just fits perfectly. Maybe if you're taller, it's going to be shorter, but since I'm only 5 feet, it fits me like a glove. And it goes perfect with the outfit that I'm wearing. Maybe we'll leave this on because it's kind of cold. So next up are some shoes, and I ordered 2 pairs of shoes. So I didn't realize that these are kind of like a dupe or fakes, imitation, whatever you call them, for the Yeezys. I don't own any pairs of shoes from him. Like, they're way out of my budget. But when I saw these, they just looked cute. Like, I just like the style. Again, I didn't get them with the thought in mind, like, ooh, these are going to be Yeezy dupes. But this is what the shoe looks like. It's a sneaker. And you guys, when I tell you, 99% of the time that I go out and I'm wearing these, not even kidding, people will stop and ask me, where did you get your shoes? Not only are they eye-catching, pretty, unique, definitely, but they're so comfortable. I have a lot of sneakers, but I don't have anything that is quite as comfortable as these. I don't know if you could work out in these, honestly. I don't work out, so I couldn't tell you that. But these are just crazy, crazy comfortable. You can tell that I've worn them from the bottom of the sole, but oh my gosh, 10 out of 10 for these. Exclusive deals only for my viewers. Click the link below to get the sneakers for 70% off. That makes them only $6.29. Up next, I have been wanting almost like a Letterman jacket, but without the price tag, of course, and without it being too heavy and warm, because again, I live in Texas. It has been colder these past few weeks, but we're gonna start getting pretty hot here within the next weeks. So I ended up ordering this cute black and white jacket. Look at this. And this one I have worn. I can smell my perfume. It has an A on it. It has the white sleeves, the black on the sides with the pockets. It is a thinner material. I would compare this to kind of like a windbreaker. So nothing that's going to keep you super warm unless you layer it, which I did. I wore a hoodie on the bottom and I just love that layered look with like the hoodie sticking out and then this on top. I love this one so much. My daughter wants one so bad. And this one is a little bit oversized as well. I've been holding off on the t-shirts because then I will forget and I will put them away. And then, yeah, I won't show you guys. So I ended up getting a t-shirt. I love t-shirts. I live in them. They're just kind of like my comfort zone, especially for the summertime. So I ended up ordering this one right here. It's gray with like the sky, and it has a cute little skeleton riding like a swing. It's so cute, and the material, you guys, you would think that it would be like this cheap fabric, but it's not. It's like a really good t-shirt. I believe it's cotton, 35 cotton and 35 polyester. So it has a nice breathable material. It's not going to be too hot if you live somewhere where it's too hot, and it's not sheer enough where it's going to show like your bras. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. I haven't worn this one. Like I said, I'm not going to lie and say that I've worn it. I haven't worn it, but I did try it, and of course I will insert clips of me trying it on. But it's just super cute, and again, the quality is what I'm here for. I love black shirts, and long sleeve half turtlenecks are just like my vibe. So I ordered me this one. I believe this one is in a size medium as well. I got a lot of them in a size medium. I know you can't see it, but it almost has like that ribbed style. Do you see it? Yep, just like that. It's long sleeve, and it's just so cute. Again, the quality just amazes me because for the price, I'm like, how? So you guys are going to see me rock this in a future video because I just thought it was too adorable to pass up. Now, the other pairs of shoes that I bought, I haven't worn these yet, but I did try them on, of course, and I was shook that they actually fit me because, again, I do have wide feet. And even though I am a size 7 generally in everything, sometimes it can be like a miss because some shoes are so narrow. I call these the Peter Pan shoes, and you'll see why in just a second. I'm just taking out all the stuffing. I know these are not going to be a lot of people's cup of tea, but honestly, these just are going to look so cute with so many cute outfits, like some skinny jeans, a white t-shirt, a shirt tucked in. You can wear one of those cute little hats. And it's just a cute, simple, quick outfit with some gold accessories. I think it's just going to look very cute. So you can really wear these with whatever. Any neutral color would work. So yeah, these, I don't know. I just thought these were so unique and so cute. And I don't own a lot of flats. I own a lot of sneakers, but not a lot of flats, so I had to get them. You guys have seen me wear this already for one of my Valentine's Day makeup, but this is a pearl necklace with some gold accents, and oh my gosh, I love this so much. I don't own anything pearls. Everything is gold or silver, as you can see, but this one I just had to add it to my collection. If you guys washed your face and you get water dripping all down your hands, you need these in your life. So you just put these on your wrist like this, and then you wash your face, and this stops the water, the makeup, whatever you're washing on your face or using on your face from dripping down your arms, which is seriously so annoying. I already own a pair, but I wanted a backup. I also ordered me some eyebrow razors and scissors to cut the brow hair. As you can see, you pull on this and then you just boop, 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 cut around. I usually just cut this hair to keep it nice and trimmed, and then you can go in with the little razor and just shave around the brow. You can shave under the brow, you can shave the mustache. I also got me a set of like tweezers and nail clippers, and I love the matte, or the fact that it's a matte black and it comes in its own casing, like perfect. I got quite a bit of jewelry. I live for necklaces, earrings, not so much necklace or bracelets, but I love necklaces. So this is a set that I got, and it looks like this. And I know this is fantasy. You know what? I'm not rich, so I can't be buying diamonds all the time, but I always love wearing cute jewelry, so I had to pick this one up. It has 2 medallions with some chains. More jewelry. I got me some earrings. I posted these, or I used these on my Instagram. These are just really cute simple earrings that you can wear with your hair up, and they honestly just dress you up. And then I got a set of earrings. These are my absolute favorite. These are the ones that I was wearing with that pearl necklace that I showed you guys. Got me some nail art brushes, very small to create details, but honestly you can use these to like do your eyeliner or to create a graphic eyeliner, whatever you want. Again, makeup has no rules, so you can use whatever it is you want, or you can use them for whatever you want, but I did order them for my nails. Bought some lashes, and honestly these look so promising. These are G05, and this is the style of them. They're nice and wispy, kind of hairy, but they're not too long, and they have a beautiful curl to them. I don't know if you guys can see. I got another necklace. This one is very in your face, but what I liked is that these actually come separate, so you can wear them however you want. This is a 7-piece layered necklace, so it has a cute little flower, and then it has another little medallion. It has the word honey on there, and then just a few chains on throughout, I guess, and then it has a cute pink butterfly. So this one was really cute, but again, it is all separate, so you can use them however you want. I also got this pair of earrings, which are similar but not quite the same as these. As you can tell, they are a little bit different. It's especially the hoops. These are a little bit bigger, but if I have any repeats, then I always just save them for my sister and I give them to her. I share. Got another necklace, something a little more dainty, if you will. It's still a layered necklace, but it's not as big or obnoxious as the other ones. This is a little more soft, so I really like this one. I got these really cute clay-like earrings, and I mainly ordered them because this is not something that I would ever wear, but I really wanted to step out of my comfort zone, and I love the aesthetic of them. They're just neutrals, and I wear a lot of neutrals, so I was like, maybe I can just wear these with like a cute bun, something like this when I have my hair up like this. I don't know, I thought these were fun, and they're not heavy, they're pretty light, so we'll see if I wear them. I also got some hair clips. Again, these were more for like the aesthetics. It came with a brown, so you can wear them when you have your hair up mainly, or down but to the side, and then like a lighter brown and a soft pink, and they're match, which is my favorite thing. I live for hair clips and I love collecting different ones, so I got this one that has like a faux rabbit tail. It's super cute, and it's big enough, and it's wide enough to hold my hair because I do have pretty thick hair, and I just love the colors. I thought it was super cute. Going back to the clothing pieces, I got this cute little shirt that has a squared neck. It is a little crop, so I'm gonna have to wear it with like some mom jeans because I do not show stomach, and it's long sleeve, but it's thin enough where I'm not gonna be like burning hot. I also really wanted a makeup case because whenever we travel, I struggle with my makeup because I'm so extra and I love taking a lot of things. So I got this one right here. It's a little squished because it's been sitting there. It just opens up, and I loved the color, which is honestly why I ordered it. This is what it looks like from the inside. It has a nice little compact. It has a zip little area right here, and then more little pouches on the inside. I'm sure you guys know this at this point. I live in big sweaters. I just love comfortable things. So I got this apricot colored California sweater. It says 1998, and it's just a really cute color, and again, the quality on these are really nice, and it's oversized, which is my absolute favorite thing. The last thing that I have is one of my favorites, honestly, is cargo pants. This is the second time that I've ordered cargo pants from Temu, and I am just obsessed. So I got them in a size small this time instead of a size medium, and they are this olive green cargo pants. They're just so cute. I love the way these make my butt look because I literally have no booty, and these make me feel like I have a booty. So I love how these shape me. I love the quality of them. Just the style, just everything. For the price, unbeatable, you guys. Unbeatable. So that is everything that I got in this round of Temu products, you guys. Again, I love them. I don't know what to say. I love their products. I love working with them. So definitely check them out. I feel for them. I know a lot of you have already ordered stuff and you're just as addicted as I am. So there you have it. Don't forget to use my code to save more money on their already affordable prices. Check the description box. Everything is going to be linked. Products, discount codes, links, everything you need. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time. I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.